Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. He is Romeo and I am Romeo Mama. Today I am going to share inside this July Mecca box. This time I got level 2 and I also got my friends level 3. And level 3 this time comes with an extra gift. So I'm going to open everything and then share with you guys, see what's inside. I haven't opened yet. Let's open it together. Okay, let's see what's inside level 2 box. So this is a hair conditioning mask. I read the instruction. Use it after shampoo. Rub it around your hair except the root and then use it for 10 minutes and then rinse it all off. Second item is a Clinique moisturizer. I have tried this moisturizer before. It's quite light. To my very dry skin, I find it is a little bit not enough. This moisturizer is not sticky, it absorbs quite fast. The third item is a mini perfume sample. Next is an hourglass mini brow gel. It is not black, it is a little bit like a grayish brown color. That's everything in level 2 box. Let's look at level 3 box now. And thank you to my dear friend lending me her level 3 box so we can share in this video. Level 3, you have a mini version of Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. I have used this serum before. It is a very moisturized, very good serum. Next is a Sunday Riley cream. I quite like the texture. It's quite thick and it's very moisturized. It absorbs quite well too. Next is a serum from Dr. Dennis Gross. This serum feels very moisturized and it's absorbing quite fast too. Next is a mini perfume. That's everything in level 3 box. And besides all this, level 3 members this time got an extra gift. So let's see what's inside this level 3 extra gift. It's very nice. Come with a little pouch and with a hook. It is a Mecca body wash. It smells really nice. It got a fruity smell. I put more information about this body wash in here. You can have a read. Okay, that's everything inside. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time for more beauty, fashion, everything. See you. Bye bye.